What's up, guys? So this is a 2009 Chevy Tahoe LTZ. It's got the 5.3 liter, and I'm changing out the driver's side engine mount. This has a four-wheel drive, so it's got that fat, nasty front axle to deal with. But I was able to get the engine mount out without dropping the front axle or any front axle parts, half shafts or anything like that. Basically, all I needed to do was remove the steering rod connector here, and then I found a bracket lying around my garage right here that just so happened to have a nice little right angle and a hole drilled into it that I have screwed into the side bracket that holds up that bolt there, that holds up the basically it's right next to the lift point on the driver's side of the engine that the factory instructions tell you to jack up against after you've removed the front axle. So I just bolted this bracket to it, and it gave me a lift point for me to put a tie down and some double 2x4s over the engine bay so that I could basically pull the engine up to get enough clearance to pull the driver's side engine mount out. Took off the exhaust manifold heat shield there and was able to get it out. Didn't look pretty though. Had to bend it. So now next step is to get the new one here placed back in. The bolts against the engine block were a really tight squeeze, but it's 15 millimeter all around for all these bolts, and just used 3/8 ratchet and was able to get my hand around where I needed to get the bolts out and get them loose from the block. So it's probably took me so far, probably say about 2 hours, and ready to put her back. Wish me luck.